How to make Kimuchi Natto to activate autophagy by Natto Kin. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai diet and Ikigai biohacking. Also, I call myself Natto King because I promote natto. Natto is the most important ingredient in the Ikigai diet, and I eat natto every day, and I make natto every week too. And I have come up with different natto recipes, and I've been introducing these recipes in my blog, right? Okay, so today I'd like to share with you another natto recipe. But this one is going to be very easy and simple to make. Yeah, so if you don't have much time to prepare, this is a perfect dish. It is Kimuchi Natto. You just mix kimchi with natto and it is ready. It's very easy and simple. And it is so powerful. Yeah, both kimchi and natto are superfood. So in a way, it is a superfood mashup. So I told you about the vote for top 10 healthiest foods by 300 Japanese doctors before. And then both natto and kimchi are one of those 10 healthiest foods. Yeah, kimchi came in the 9th and natto came in first, right? And then, so I talked about autophagy. Yeah, autophagy is a cellular recycling process, and it is very important for anti-aging. Yeah, it can slow down your aging process. Yeah, and then there are many ways to activate autophagy, such as intermittent fasting, exercises, or having sauna or cold bath and stuff like that. But also, you can activate autophagy through your diet. Spermidine is a polyamine which can activate autophagy too. And both kimchi and natto contain a lot of spermidine. Yeah, in fact, the spermidine-rich foods are all fermented foods. So kimchi or pickled Chinese cabbage or pickled daikon or soy sauce, miso, natto, they are all spermidine-rich ingredients, plus some cheese and mushrooms and so on. Yeah, so kimchi and natto are very powerful in that sense too. Okay, so how to make it? Very simple. So you just need to have some kimchi and natto. So today I am using my homemade natto, but if you don't know how to make one, you can use a regular packaged natto too. But when you use a packaged natto, you just use one pack because one pack contains about 50 grams, and that's enough for each day. And then, so you open the package like that, and then usually there is this kind of soy sauce looking things and karashi, mustard, but you don't need to use them. So you just, take them away. And then you have this kind of plastic thing and you take it off. And then you mix the natto well. Yeah, right. So that's how you do it when you use the packaged natto. But I'm using my homemade natto today. Again, I mix it well. Then I'm gonna put it into a bowl. Yeah, like that. I just put natto into a bowl and then mix them well here too. Then I just add kimchi. Very simple. So I put kimchi inside, and then now just mix. So you want to mix, yeah, kimchi and natto well, like that. So it is very simple, yeah. And then you want to eat it with rice because you know kimchi is very spicy and you always want to have rice with it. So I have fermented brown rice, but you can have regular brown rice is okay too, yeah. And then you can just put a little bit of kimuchi natto on rice, and then you eat it. Wow. Now, if you want to add some other things, you can add some cucumbers, yeah. Kimchi and cucumbers go very well. So you can put some cucumbers like that. Or you can eat it with nori, yeah, with nori. So you might just cut nori a bit like that, and then you put nori, yeah, and then kind of you wrap the kimuchi natto with nori. And eat it with rice. Yeah, so there's so many different ways of eating kimuchi natto, but kimuchi natto, you know, itself is good enough, right? And it's very simple and easy to make. And it is a great food to break your fast, by the way. Actually, I am coming out of my 36 hours intermittent fasting. Yeah, so yeah, it's just like a good timing to shoot this video now. Yeah, because both kimchi and natto probiotics, so they are great feed for your gut microbiome. So it is good to eat them for the fasting in your meal, right? Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai diet and Ikigai biohacking, right? If you want to know the optimal way to activate autophagy and the optimal way to feed your diverse gut microbiome, please read the Ikigai diet. And if you want to know the method to naturally become a superhuman, please read Ikigai biohacking. I'm giving a webinar on June 16th, which is Thursday, 10 a.m. Japan time, which is June 15, Wednesday evening in North America. I put the details in my website, theikigai.com, and I put the link below in the description box. Right. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai.